So Run's kind of been having a rough morning here. He's been soaking his hand in the water. Today he wouldn't stay, so he spilled the bowl all over the floor. But with persistence, I told him to stay. And after going to the vet, he told me it could just be an allergic skin reaction, but to keep massaging it, to keep soaking it in warm Epsom salt. And as I was squeezing his paw at a downward motion like this here, something just popped out. Guess what it was? Guess what just popped out? A motherfucking foxtail. That was stuck in his paw. One of those grass seeds. So it worked. Warm Epsom salt with constant massaging downwards. It came out. The emergency wouldn't touch him or look at him without me paying $1,000 to sedate him. And this other vet said it was likely a skin allergy, but it wasn't so urgent to where, you know, it would be like an emergency situation to have it removed right away since it wasn't in his nose or his ears. But there you have it. So much relief to me right there. Thank you, God. And good boy, Renz. You did good. Good boy. Love you, buddy. That was it. That was what was stuck in your paw. Good boy.